Yo, better than her, and my man can never. And me, after me and you, my bella. After none of them sit down, enough of them sit down and take beating. And you have some man that is so ignorant.
Huh? And dark.
Impatient. That's fool.
Sir! If you're the inner my clique, you don't know so the only man when you talk about is my man. Baby, you look sexy, you know, me that cocky up right now.
I'm good at it, your breast long like River Nile. Don't stop.
Do not stop.
Turn! You got on! You got on! A dumb, she dumb! Oh! You know what? I didn't even heard y'all. Okay?
Mommy, I am going to slap.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. Wayne, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look on me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So today, if you haven't already noticed, we have Kayla, Mary, and we're gonna eat some boiled crabs. We looked about it from in the day. We're in the fall, so obviously had to
Put it off and
delay
in the evening. And
the process.
Just gonna cook.
And afternoon. So today, while eating, we will be talking about what causes distrust in a relationship and what can solve the distrust. So let's get into the video. Right, just now.
Alright guys, let's dig in. We are playing too much now. Hungry and mash me up.
We might put that in a sitting there. Might put it in a blue plate. Oh yeah.
The one that tastes good, guys.
Yes, sir. Don't open this one. Can't taste it. Look at that.
You can pop me that Antola, please.
There you go, sweetheart.
See them eyelash in my eye.
Thank you.
You're most welcome, sister. Wow! Guys, look here.
What?
Ah!
Stop saying guys too much time. So
Two cameras.
that's what we used to say, guys. We are not going to start have a fuck you with that video. That's what I'm saying.
So me have to say, people, we not even know.
Man, you should costume. Every second you say guys. One thing you say guys. The next thing you say guys. Guys,
Ooh, crab cooking specialist, I guess. Yes.
You should have a season for this, my girl.
you too enjoy.
Mine too.
Parched.
Yeah, I don't know. All I want.
Give me a cup. Now I get my own shirt.
Okay.
So you see.
They are.
I can't buy it.
Okay. Ring, you know one guys, the ring. I have an answer, the body in the video. Like the instance. Just come out and meet us. And be my friend.
And after I got eat it, okay. And somebody can't call me meet and tell me to come out and be their friend. I expect me to come out and be their friend.
Mm. We gonna end all of
So yes guys, the crab is yummy. Hashtag yummy in the comments below please.
Hashtag delicious.
So what are some reasons why what causes distrust in a relationship?
Cheating.
Lying.
Lack of communication. Uno man will always add on the money. Yeah, and not get the money come home.
That too. Or some man love to spend.
How we call love to spend?
I mean, him give 20 grand and say, oh, buy me a shoes. I use the rest. I use the whole light. Buy him the shoes. Get him back. Sorry, not the shoes. Everything else. Not money to buy the man shoes. But because you want to please yourself alone, you just have to spend and go with so. The man get the little 40 grand amount. You spend 50. You spend all 50 out there when I think what there. Spendthrift. My mother that says spendthrift, but I really spend thrift.
But you have some man where some other toilet. But you have some man where spending money on themselves and not spend money on the woman. I don't know woman stay
We
with
don't
them.
put me in man either. If him love him, I want to take care of you.
Anyways, we are drift from the top.
If him mean, then both he doesn't love him.
I'm tired of the man them will say is because of their what the word again?
Insecurity?
Yes. I'm tired to hear the man them will say and because of them insecurities make them cheat. I don't like hear it. Turn me off.
I can't like you though. Why are you insecure and go outside and cheat with somebody else? You're not insecure.
And more with the other woman. So we have realized the camera battery died. So
we
changed
realized
it
fast.
That is good.
Because we just done the class.
As I was saying, I don't know if it caught this, but the woman A realized that her husband or her boyfriend doesn't care about her. Obviously don't care about her. Yet him can dead down on him face and somebody pick him up, and when him up and standing and strong, him don't look at her when she don't have nothing. That's selfish. That is care.
That is very sad.
Him broke, she take her up, she take him up and
Help him.
help him build himself and then
Yeah.
build himself and then
Now look at her. And then after
and then
that
she in a
again.
bad situation and still look at her.
Then after that again, drop on his face again. Help him again.
Would it help him again?
Me I tell you, once bitten, twice shy. I would never.
They still done goods. Now don't pan my face. Me help you off of your face, you know.
And you go
So
floss
so-
and dust.
I was so I grow my face deserve it.
So why you
You help
can't?
you off a grown. Why you can't help me back?
Yeah, why you can't
That's all
help me?
me want to know. Why you can't help me back?
Exactly. So sometimes men get the help they need, and then in return, them a look on you. I'm not
Yeah.
all man, but why? Some of them selfish. I can't. I mean, I understand how woman like man will take care of themselves and them look nice, and the woman them look like you.
If my man take care of himself, he must can take care of me too.
Of course, and if not the money, Me I take care of him and me I take care of me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
See, I'm like, I'm expecting him to take care of me. Me would have take care of him. I just need that.
Me too.
As a person, as a woman, as a girlfriend, you call me your girlfriend. Me, I make sure you're good.
What I'm gonna get is some woman say, right? Man for take care of them, but them not to spend their money for man. No. If you're in a relationship, the man
Everything go both
has
ways.
helped you along the way. The man now is not working. You mean to tell me, say, you're not helping none at all? Me not understand how people live them way. The thing is, I'm not even man or woman alone. Anyone who have helped me along the way.
Thank you very much. And
I will always help you as long as I have it.
Thank you so much.
It hurt, man, it hurt. Not to say I'm going off the topic, but I am. But I have some family that look for you when you don't have nothing, you know. Them avoid you. But just when them sister you have some other time, they, you know, see, I'm a cousin that. I'm a sister that.
My brother that.
You got on star. Yeah. Look for my sister.
I wonder if I see this, guys. All of them meet them, I come out intact. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Alright, nobody don't shame me now.
So me the one when I eat, I be a chocolate, I chop it up.
Anyways, yes. Guys,
Yeah, guys.
people, we call them. We're subscribers name. We don't make the name for them. Drop in the comment section what name you think she should give her subscribers.
What about Belcha?
Our Jabel. Wagwan Jabels. Yeah.
I'm very.
Anyway. So guys, yeah, cheating. What are them more than little cheating? I don't know. We feel like if I love a person,
You're supposed
Like
to
me.
can come to them. Any problem you have, you're supposed to can come to them and say, babe,
You
you
know,
know
go
something
there.
like
we
this.
feel like you can do it before cheating happens.
But before we explain what them can do, give me some words that could fix a relationship.
First, conversation, talking. You have to be talking.
Patient. You have to be patient.
If you don't patient, then you're going to argue instead of talk.
A man carrying the money come home, you man we trust him.
I want to know how the arguing go already. The man get loud and start flinging down things. Well, the woman more fling down things, but the man more slam door. If the man will walk out the argument. Woman now start shout and get on top of them vice. Man start shout and bag a problem. When you could have avoided, left him, you can stand there. And talk about it at a later date when.
Tell a man alone cheat, woman cheat.
Well, yeah,
Left him or her.
him or her.
Yeah, carry the money come home. Then we trust him. Them two in Versace and then down a town. That not look good.
And the man when me say me down with, when me say I'm my man, same way when me can look good, he must can look good.
So if him can't have a Versace and me have a down a town, it's what we have to do in a
If he have more money, he must fix me up. And if he have more, he fix him up.
I forgot in a Macy's with me. And the girl said. Okay. So you have a problem. The man don't please you in a certain way. You come to him. You know say me not like this. You go at work now, I'm gonna have small talk with your co-workers. They will be like,
please, you're not wish me.
anyway,
Yeah, but you talk to.
talk to him, don't go tell
Anyway,
co-workers. You think them are your friend and them go tell them family and them go tell them manager.
And the
You
other
see-
people them where you're not friend with too.
Exactly. So you believe that,
People all open their business.
and it bad not so bad when they tell their family, you know, but you see the co-worker them, they start laughing for you like you're idiots. The thing is, everybody have problems in a them relationship.
Yeah,
No
but
relationship is perfect. But people are gonna laugh and go on like say, yo, better than her, you know. My man can never. And me, after me and Yama Bella, after none of them are sit down, enough of them are sit down and take beating. Yeah. Enough of them going like say, yo, them on top of the world.
Enough of them feel that is love beaten. Honestly, it isn't, because we want me, Steve, if I love somebody, I'm not going to hurt them. Yeah, beat them, yeah, hurt them. What kind of love is that? Toxic love. That not really an obsession that. To go outside and smile, and so I want to look for her, you assume so she a smile with the man, they beat the shit out of her. You don't love her. You just want to own her.
Don't really beat her, but you know, spank her in the bedroom. That sounds like a big subject.
No. So yes, guys, beating the resolve nothing. Why so man?
I have always said, you know where I can't say a man
Well, that's
can't
strong,
beat me,
you know.
or a man can't fight me, you know. But me nah lay down and take my lip. Me I have to fight, but nah lay down and take my lip. I would never.
We have multiple brothers and multiple sisters, and any problem we have, we'll war it out. If we don't cut it out, we'll war it out. So it should just be stupid if we go in a relationship and allow somebody to do to we, but we not make our own sibling do. You get what I say? So if a man lick me, I'm not talk seriously. I'm not talk when we
One
play.
box down where make your face black and blue. We are talking about.
I'm not talk when we play and he slap me and he feel after that, oh, me slap him and I start cuss. No, I talk, if you lick me for hurt me, lick woo!
That way.
Him not left that house, sorry to say, him not leaving that house alive. Me not. One away. And I know, I know me. If you lick me, if you threaten me, I know say, I hurt you, want to hurt me the way you lick me. Honey, I'm going to jail. Woo. And I'll go willingly, hon. You look at one meat when you get. Look on them shell. Look on them shell.
Avoid me, Kayla.
Look on our people. Look on them shell here. You can't see right through them.
So I'm not grateful for me look at one shell.
You know
Not
say
show
all
off
of the
the
shell them?
Not to show off the door.
Or learn to eat crab.
Me get meat too, you know.
Yeah. You bite and support the meat through the cribbles. What are the crevices? Crab.
Okay.
But I feel it's many problems.
I know.
Women or men don't feel like they want to tell their partner because they don't know how their other half will react to. So
Sorry?
women are like, sometimes like why them go to other people when I be like them don't know how them other half would react to certain things. Suppose I tell them say, you know say you're not treat me good another way here.
And you react a certain way?
Yes, I'm start
As in
saying,
how?
I'm not big girl like you. Eh? I'm not big girl like you. You have to know for this and you have to know for
Me and
that.
you cannot there. You see, me and you can't sit down. I'm going to say to you, say, boy, babe, you do this and I don't like it. And I explain to you what's up. And you can't sit down and listen to me, sir. We don't. Look at me.
Arguing.
Look at me. We don't. There. You hear me? It cannot work. The way I see it, the way to fix everything in our relationship will go wrong. The most possible way is indeed communication. Okay, see, once I can sit down, me I talk calmly. That's why I say when everything eaten, you have to have patience, as what she say, for wall out until when you're ready to talk. If not patience, we probably kill off each other. And then the same thing, we probably kill off each other with over on the first day. By the third day time gone, I want to don't talk. When I said, then I really listen to me fuss over. And then look there, you could have killed him. And then you calm down and say, oh my God, I can't believe I just got in a jail for yourself.
Sometimes they don't even remember what they're arguing about.
Fighting back is different. If you lick me, me go to jail for that. But me not. Listen, we can talk it out and work it out.
With my two good mouths.
Ah,
Ta-da. Water, please.
so yeah, true. I got laugh off of them that I want to come out. It's toughy.
Me I tell them sometimes I talk.
On different foot is now.
I want that one now.
Ugh.
A woman that?
Man. See?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you want egg from out of the woman? But no egg none of this. These are cooking.
Glad the egg.
Might them cook. You know, see the part that
That first because straight crab food they come to spoil my face. I want to eat.
I'm off one of them
Can
here.
I get some water, please?
Tough
Oh,
it,
sorry.
tough it.
Yeah, the shell panic though. Like a ticker.
I'm going to tell some of
Come
my
on, girl.
just now. What's one? I'm moving up here.
Is that you know the arm? Apparently I don't know.
Or
Oh my
Ah,
arm.
this one.
I think I'm an armpit like that. Jamaican call it arm,
Yum.
but it's really your armpit.
one last thing. I'm eating this serious.
No, I can pop this thing.
Why can't it pop?
And you have some man that is so ignorant,
And dark.
impatient, that
Fool.
they don't even want to listen to what you have to say. They just want to start fling them on or start cuss you out and say, yo, dirty girl. Like, that don't make
No
no
man can
sense.
style stuff.
A man can say it to you. You just, you mean you have
No
to
man
say
no man
something.
can style stuff. So you have to know who you are doing.
You say man out the road can say it. Hey, and them man they out the road where you look you know. You
When the
don't look on them.
when the land look at me and say, dirty girl, I'm off dirty girl in me. As some sort of joke we are run. Or me do something to him and I run and I say, hey, dirty girl. Or him not really say them certain things there. No. If we are argue, you rather walk out than say. Some of them make it get worse.
And them man they on the road, lad. When them a look at you down, just make sure say you don't drop on the
When
road.
that girl healthy,
Then they will laugh off of you.
you beat up your body too. You're so rocky there.
You literally have to know who you are talking. You have some man,
Most
Lord.
definitely.
Have mercy.
Look at this.
From the home to the tomb.
We want to see this. We want to see if you have to know who you're doing. If you don't, then goody, you offer a lot of surprises. Too much, mama. Too much, mama. Me and my boyfriend had the best friend before.
That's
Guys,
what
I can watch.
dating is for if you never know the person from before.
Yeah, guys, you can go back to my channel and watch how me and my boyfriend meet. But definitely, me and him are the best friends before. We would chat all night. And I saw me get to know him, and then after a while, we start live with him. So I know him living with him also. Before we move with him basically. I know how him stay, I know what I can manage, what I cannot manage. If you see a certain way, I would make you go further. I think that is a very important thing to guys. To
some
live with the
women
person.
sell themselves short.
Yeah. Guys, it's good to live with the person. Why? Because sometimes when you see
spend time with them.
yes, or spend time with them. Basically, like I look of them or them, to go live with them.
Because nobody can tell me, say, no people say, oh, I'm not living with man. Nobody can tell me, say, you go buy one house for yourself and your husband will have one next house for yourself. That doesn't make sense to me.
Some women like work with them man work. Some women like.
Well, that kind of makes sense, you know.
It doesn't. Not
Kind
to
of
me.
makes sense, yeah. Kind of makes sense.
Unless you do a bag of things where you're going to get jealous.
Not really that, but the fact that well, the breakup is going to be awkward and if you are working together. So
that if
you have the
break up-
pro and con, the if.
So why you consider that?
You consider everything.
Probably you have a breakup when him come to work. Yeah, they do something. Because if not,
And I say you're going to do anything.
and you don't business about a couple co-worker them will love you off, why not? We always see them can't love you off, but you not to love them off. Which means your man feel them can't get hurt because you not show them no attention and no affection.
But what I realized also,
Well, if your man not reasonable good, you're right to feel that way.
because
One reasonable.
somebody you like you.
And me and him go school together already. And me and him end up going to the same sixth farm. And me and him work as Xerox together. As in on the same floor. And me and him work at Ibis, but him did work at Kingston and me work at Portmore. But you know, he never uncomfortable to me. But he just feel more comfortable because me and him could have go home together because we live with each other and stuff. And it's easier because we always have him to talk to. Enough time we stay beside each other, so it can be easier for both of us.
Exactly. What I think also, if someone believes they have all power over you when you and them are in a relationship, meaning, so for example, you look good, women look good in general, and there's some women who will take care of themselves. Anyways, you have a couple man in the work where you look you right, you and the person, you and your man now have the same work. So him see you now stand up with somebody. You know them type of man there. Them all say something else you discuss just because them say when you might laugh or something or you're there too close to him or do a job when you and him supposed to be doing. Him call you and dry you up in the office, or when you reach home and him start up a bag of argument and then them all start say you cheat. Some man don't have any evidence, not even evidence.
If you're not cheating,
None at all, you might not be cheating and them just say it because them see and somebody stand up.
if you're not cheat, be open about it then. Before him even call in the office, say, oh, me and my friend this and talk about this and that. If you know him dark and full, so just tell him. If him still dark and full after good, you know your man. Don't marry him.
I mean, none of your man stays there. Everything just not right for you.
Exactly.
Difference.
So I'm your man. Do not take it any further. Because if him can't believe you when you say, boy, I'm a co-worker, turn up the sun and talk about shorty over there, so or me and him turn up the sun and talk about work and this and that, and if he might find problem to believe you, that means him not trust you. If him don't trust you, then
Why it doesn't make sense? It doesn't make sense to be a friend. Yeah.
me and my boyfriend did work at the same place, right? Xerox. So before him come, cause me did get hired before him. We did have a lot of friends. Me I talk on the floor, me and everybody did talk. I'm not the type of person where don't talk to people. I normally don't talk to people and dark and fufu. I'm not gonna say fufu, I not trust people more than so. So before me being a friendly person, I want to know. Yeah, when I see me, my face just straight. I don't really talk to nobody, I don't really deal with nobody. But I say I change that because of my boyfriend. I'm a very nice person. He let me know that I'm not supposed to be scared of certain things and we just expect certain things in our life and deal with it better. So I try to be friendly nowadays, more friendly nowadays because why not? I may not be friendly as in friendly in your inbox. I just not be friendly. Hi, what's up? Good morning. Respectful, right? So everybody on the floor of me and their mother a friend. So there were, of course, a workplace that got a couple people like you. Multiple people like me. And enough time is not just alright, them like me. And them a try to pursue me, but me nah look on them. Me nah business about them. I know that me go there for. And when me there work, all me talk about is my man because me can't wait to go home back to my man. So guys, me have a bag of friends. Enough time man come on my station, drop off bam bam car. Them have like this thing what them do. Them like you, them we give stuff. Me always refuse stuff. That not stop them from coming. Some of them just take it. Sometimes I not eat them, sometimes I eat them. But me and them in general are friend different from when them just drop off sweetie. Cause then we come on the station and say, what go on? You alright? I'm gonna say, yeah man, I'm good. You go on, whatever. So we talk and so we carry on. If the conversation is to ever take a different direction, I put him in a place and make him say, sir! If you're in my clique, you don't know so the only man when you talk about is my man. And you don't know so the only reason why every day I come here so I eat it more and more because I can't do home. I spend time with my man. So you just have to be transparent with the person. And enough time when we are work, them drop by. Of course them know I'm a boyfriend, them not go on drop by no more and drop off and give me nothing because my boyfriend and them have to respect him. You're not gonna disrespect him in front of him.
Yeah, so man look other man in front of him.
I talk on my floor. No man can pry man come to me come and give me sweet in front of my man. You're mad? But I fling it back on him. I tell him, sir, keep it. I don't want it. That is disrespect. You get what I'm saying? And boy, the way I did feel, majority of the time I'm like, oh shit, I don't want to eat them sweetie. What the hell am I going to do with them? But I'm going to end up and waste people money and dash for them sweetie. And really and truly, they never go. I not allow them to go further from hello, wagwan, housework. You get what I say? Them not, if them did venture off in like a sexual conversation with me, I not take nothing from you, sir. Because you make me know what you want and I don't want it and I don't want to take nothing from you and you feel like say, oh, come on to me then. It done this so. So when time him come and work and start work with me now, nobody not come to me if you give me nothing, but them still come on the station, come heal me, because when I say we are friends, right? And he would say, oh that, or why that nigga there look on yourself? I'm just tell him straight up, I don't know, he probably like me, but I'm a friend. And one time I go on my daytime, I always tell him about my day. You just have to be if you love a person, you have to be transparent. You don't want to tell them everything.
Well, I believe that experiences make you who you are. Sometimes you change, but boy, sometimes the way something just stuck in your head, it just come like say, yo, there's no change. No change.
Well, can't change.
So I talk about something similar to what I talk about. Knowing people, you have some man who are very disrespectful.
Yeah, some man who are very jealous too. They don't want you to take nothing from nobody else.
Yeah, as I was saying, you have someone who are very disrespectful. So you can act, not even act, you can say you and them a friend, right? And then you start here around the place say you and them have sex. How does that make sense? That's a big disrespect right there, so.
Yeah.
You know, make no sense. You're going to say, oh, alright, me talk to me, we have a friend as a man. That don't make no sense, because you're going to have a man say, you know, say, when no go so, you know, close to that. a good amount of man stay. So you know say him and have sex.
Him and her deal, I always say that. That me not understand. You're in a one work area and you have a group of friends. Alright, you start work with a group. In the future, you and the group then branch off to different teams. You keep in contact with who come from your group. Say,
But the same
4 boy and 4 girl. You go a lunch now. Everybody else pick them friend, and you and 2 boy and 2 girl go lunch. Them all say, oh, she and him always go lunch. Them always go lunch. Them must stay. This and that. Who are you to say with this, sir?
But we ain't not even stop here. But sometimes the man themselves tell people say, you know, say me and her when nothing about that. So
in that case, you just address it. Make the person know.
So me personally, me try to keep myself in that circle. Yeah, it kind of make you not know a certain things. So yeah, me talk to woman friend, all the woman friend now, another better group, or you know. But man too disgusting, and me tired to hear say, oh, she and him a talk, oh, she and him there, you know. Yeah, the way me see them a talk and them sit down, and I don't like it.
You see here after I work too.
I remember I was in Spain one day.
I may have 2 persons when they left in my group, one girl and one boy. I will go lunch with them every day.
So the camera cut off again, and I remember how far we did reach before it cut off. So as we were saying, you have Jamaican men. I want to know ourselves too, you know. Then we are look you, and just because you don't want them, or sometimes you hear them, you know, but sometimes the way how them disrespectful, you don't say nothing to them because you know how them stay.
I'm going to tell you this.
You see, if you ever drop, them a look at you ever drop or anything ever happen to you, supposed to pop up the set. Then laugh off for you and tell the world don't find you. I say, why? Yes, what's up on the road?
The way I see it, the way I start the conversation, I go have a lot to say if me go answer you or not. See, if you have a see me a pass and say, well, I'm bro, in the good, me I say, oh yeah, I'm alright, you good? You say yes, me I walk. Baby, you can't stop. No, I'm busy, me upon time. Always upon time. Always having the upon time.
Come here.
What should I?
Then I think I'll do that, eh?
Exactly. What should I can't miss so who that stop.
Come here.
No, baby, you look sexy, you know, me that cocky up right now. You have no for them time, so. Hey, brownie, that body they well fat. Why? Hey, what do you end up people? I'm tell you one man want disgrace me. Me a walking in Spain. I buy my tights and one blouse. I throw it on fast because I say I run going to Spain in the evening and run go back home. In the evening, jump on the taxi. Jump on the taxi going to Spain, right? They are Spain and this man the pan, baby, I say I can't stop now. I'm just continue to walk. You're the man. Why you not wearing a panty? Why you not wearing a panty? Why you not wearing a dress? I saw him and I go and people just walk and hold my head straight like that. I know me I talk to sir. I can't be a talk to. Could I never. Wrong person. If me not wear the panty, it's not me I talk to. It's not.
Them outside.
It is not. Tell them I have no time I run me down out of it and tell myself why I'm not wearing a panty. Continue to run. I hope I run out of it and drop around to your face. Me not stop, please, excuse me.
And when I realize also, you see when them all look you don't look on them because if you try and make an answer them. And that's true. If you try to get their attention.
Because them want to burn you and you start cuss them back.
And then they start tracing now, you know.
What?
Hey, dirty girl, come to a little dirty dress around time the glare road.
Hey, people.
You smell like down a river time.
I'm going to tell you this. You see, if you walk, and you're not fat pan him and you start cussing, just continue to walk.
Don't bother answer.
Don't answer.
Burn you.
Do not stop. I'm going to tell you green and you look like ogre. Do not stop. I'm going to tell you you stink like a sour. Do not stop. People, if you stop, and you know what's your daddy, mama?
I'm going to tell you your breath long like River Nile. Don't stop.
Do not stop. You hear me? Do not stop. Because I tell you, if you stop and say something, then man, they have finished now.
What? And their friend will jump in, you know.
And them a laugh off of you too.
Yeah.
Them a laugh off of you too.
Let me tell you an experience. So normally walk to class, it was somewhere near to my house. So me walk one place every cause that's the shortest way. So me walk that class now. They have them money will always there this far. Walk come there. All them say nah look on them. And you nah answer them still a call to you. Psst, baby. Good ups. Well my size. Psst, psst. So me nah look on them for a good while now, you know. Couple weeks. Well, you know me I tell you, so almost every day me I go to class, you know. 4 days, 5 days. A dumb she dumb. Oh! You know what? I didn't even heard y'all. Okay.
Mommy, I am gonna stop.
Them would have dropped in there me
At least when they see I walk, they would have called around you. What's up? Guy, we now make fun of nobody with disabled. We just say, if they say you're dumb, yeah, we can know the ear what don't talk what do it. Hey, I wanna do it. Them not cause a little more.
No, I believe so if them see you again, them all laugh off of you every time they see you. Them
I
like,
believe that too. Them not run joke with them something. I think now they run joke with disability. Them waiting. If them have to do and say, I say you're dumb, or you're deaf, you're going like you can't hear them, or you're going like you can't talk. Them will really cool if you continue. Just look on them and say, they probably was a big laugh and run guy and nobody fast to the other
and
one.
then me like they spread out. Why? Me integrity.
Wow. Say, guys, when you have somewhere where rough and disgusting, the way what them talk, them see you, hey, one time this man said something to me. Sister, I'm going to blur out some of the things that mommy have to say. But I just one little short sentence. Baby, if I sound good like say you're good. I'm like,
How does that relate? I don't understand.
Sane.
alright.
Okay then.
I don't know how you expect me to respond to that. I don't know.
I'm gonna leave out.
My head is attacking. You know me eat also? Them freaking bus man there. But upon the road like them man if you come on the bus, them come. Turn! You got turn! You got turn! After 3 turn! I'm say when you go in that bus, you come like say you don't have enough foot. You come like you're a baby and them a guide you.
Yeah, them a carry you in there.
Them a hold on by your back, you start push you up in that bus. I say let go, me touch. Hey! My cousin, I remember this man. Now, I'm not claim to say my body now. But I remember this man when him out of that self, you know, when he touched me on my hand, I was like, please let me go, let me go. The man put him hand down in my back down here, so I say one slap, I slap him in his chest and push him off. I said, don't do it again. That I said to him. Wow! I'm serious. Because that was so rude. You can't tell somebody to let go from my hand and then put their hand down here so like them are your man. Don't do it.
It's when you love somebody, another man touching you is like weird.
Can I tell
You
you?
don't want that touch me, sir. Please.
You want
just
him asking.
spare yourself. Like, spare yourself the trouble and me the trouble. Don't you?
The disgrace. Spare yourself the disgrace.
You say, the way of me weird people, if me and you there at work, I have to pass around and go somewhere. And any part of your brush against me, like all my breast.
Me eat that.
If you brush against my breast, I feel violated. Me no business if you didn't know or you never know. I just feel violated and I just dry in my shell and try to avoid you the rest of the day.
Girl, me hate that you're afraid. Me not like when no.
If your hand brush against my bottom, if your hand brush against my bottom, I say, I keep it on another level, sir. Do not walk near me ever again.
Don't touch
When an accident, please don't. Please. I'm very weird, guys. Me don't want nobody, me don't want to feel nobody else touch. No other man touch me. What me I say.
It's not the fact say I act like you're better than people, you know, but
I'm not
it's just
better than. I just
weird.
how it feel. And me and my boyfriend have talked for what 7 years now. It just weird. You need to understand. Me and him have talked from when in school.
I give my body to my man.
Come like one time me I do.
Not touch it.
When me did go affect. Like grade 7, first time girl can affect you know. First time girl I get wine pants and the boy body stiff in her pants. And I just feel my look something I rub against my body. I say people, I eye the boy every day. I eye the boy from fit go straight till his school done. So when time I look for me and he find my class, me I duck from that. It just did feel weird. And I feel like comfortable. And I just never walk in and no other situation with him.
The man is getting up.
You know, can't go and get up, stand up, jump. You can't go and jump everything. That was just too. That was just too much for me. Was not grade 7, me innocent and for fool and me did still in a grade 7, me never really friendly. And they kind of drawn up in my shell.
In a grade 7, I got school with my head dry the whole year. What school?
If I thought that.
Mr. Baker girl, pull my head here.
This girl that comes to me every morning for comb her head. And now I might want it for comb.
But then I alone here enough time to come head too. She not come head sometime too.
Well, I need to learn around herself, that's why.
Outside, I can comb my head too.
Yeah, she can
You
sew in
can comb my ear too.
Also, mom can do a comb my own ear.
You see how it turned out?
I the man. Also, I the man. Me not the what they call the room? The room where them dancing now?
Dancing room GP.
No, when Peta keep. What they call it?
No, me never go in there yet. Me
I
send them only a friend.
Disco, I think. Disco they call it. Disco room, something like that.
Right here, that's room there.
Guys.
But alright.
So one time that I go on, me then at the dancing room, him in there too. But from I feel the body me run. So one time me run now, man I look for me so in a party, see me in a party.
And you just go here.
For what? I want to enjoy myself, but just never want to whine for nobody. That they just make scar me. Scar me look idiot. Brace of myself. I feel uncomfortable and stuff. I'm that I avoid the boy. I can't carry him up here, I can vouch to, but I don't know where they're right now in life. I say, guys, so the man I look up. You ever watch Discovery Channel and I see them stand up and I look over the mountain? I saw him I look up and I saw me there under the... I saw me in the eye. In the eye. Because every time I see him stick up his head with duck. And then till I could have run out of the room and run from him. Maybe I alone did fool, but guys, that did feel uncomfortable.
Yeah,
every second, you guys.
Yeah, let me view.
But people, could manage it. There's mine a cut room. So yeah, I hit from there.
Could I am with this? I'm glamorous.
I used to eat when boy touch me down. Remember this boy, you know? I don't understand how boy love the trouble so, but you see when you grip them and shove them down, them leave you alone.
I'll be able to treat you. Yeah, in a primary school.
Talk to your sister.
I
Talk to your sister.
I'll be able to meet man. From primary school, she fight baby boy.
Me too.
I lie. I one boy alone me ever fight in a primary school and him did deserve.
Sorry, should I
One boy
say?
never fight to for sure.
She fight one boy.
boyfriend.
The rest of them did friend.
Never fight my boyfriend.
I'm not that aggressive.
But if fight one boy was like me.
But the boy did bright, but So something about my sister
Well, I get
again.
for
And
more.
like nothing bad me that's about him sister and I say sister pretend you ugly. And then cut most him all lick me. Alright. We will be fighting.
You say him sister pretend him ugly.
You want to hear me now?
My.
You want to hear me singing now? Gaza Slim. You man in my bed tonight.
Because it was her boyfriend in a primary school.
Grade 4. New man in my bed tonight.
She and him fight. She and him fight people.
You didn't fight people?
No, she and him fight.
She and the boy do fight. Our ex-boyfriend from
Primary school. You know, look a boyfriend girlfriend relationship. They just come to school and say, yeah, she fight that day one day.
How was the fight? Was it nice?
You know, we get beaten off time. Vice principal come whoop up with us, but when you come and fight, eh? Think a man and woman quarrel this? I think I'm marrying this?
So you beat him up, Bella?
Of course. Who not gonna take beat up? You're mad. I was here and he lick me, I lick him back. He lick me, I lick him back. He lick me, I lick him back. So he lick me again, I push him down the ground. So I'm on the ground now, you know. And start kick up my foot. I tap in the chest. And then neck up party fight. Then no, big fight, you know. Vice principal come with fear, like a board roller come and beat people. Hear me, when I don't get beat, I don't feel nothing.
You still she bad people in here. She does like chat about. She never beat up nobody. She bad here.
One like you don't bad too.
No, I just never feel it.
Me never bad in a primary school.
But he still like you, Kayla.
In a primary school, people me used to get bullied.
And I had one.
No, as in, alright, them trouble me, them would have said things, but them would have pushed me or try to hurt me in a certain way. Then a girl would have a fight, you get what I say? But they used to say some things that used to hurt my feelings, and because of certain conditions when they happen back then, when them that trouble me about, it's really hurtful because of certain things that happen with my health, right? So, in a grade 6 now, when everything did I stop because we did stop going to doctors and such, and did I get up to par with my health and stuff. And because of that, me and people just never click in a primary school. And
Teach
that
your
was
children or your sister or brother is not to bully. They don't know what people are
bullying
going
is not
through.
right. Even if a verbal bully, it don't right, trust me. Because suppose me never strong, suppose me I did one of them myself, me I would kill myself. Could I kill myself because I would have put them did I say? And all them that treat me. But
Yeah.
what me did do, as what I said, I did loner. Sometimes I move a certain way, I just avoid the whole of them. Don't deal with them. Go to school, don't work on me hard.
Yeah, because they usually have this girl where
When you give them power over you, when they have trouble and you ball and go on, them only ever do it even more. So when they go on like their own business, them can't do nothing else than say them one thing will shame you and go on about their business.
exactly. I
And
have
best
this
thing
girl
is, could I
where
do-
they took up my bag. You're so fast with me. I said I really don't know me alone. Took up my bag now, you know. Oh, she has spin bag, you know. A spin with bag, you know. Around her school, the back part of school. So girl passed my bag. And still a spin bag. And let go my bag, you know. My bag fly go. Whatever they say now. Whoops, I go. Take off my bag, girl. Start getting next to me now. I say, hey girl, go for my bag. No. I go for nothing. She bad enough. I say I grip up her collar man and I start giving some lick round there. I then that them have to come and say, you kill her man. I say, hey,
So man.
I slap up her face around her back of school man. She would have
So guys,
never.
As I say, me are always alone because of everything what people did to me. And then in a grade 6, I was like, you know what? I'm about to go crazy. This girl used to trouble me, guys. Every day when I left school. I never used to cry or nothing, but I did feel that way because she had trouble. But as I say, me alone, I'm really trying my best to ignore them and not to behave in a certain way. Anyways, she troubled me one day, it licked me chibby. You see, from that girl that troubled me, anybody else so fast with me, I just get angry, I just get cross, I get that cross spirit come over me. Instead the girl cussed me, she cussed me from school, go on taxi. Say no, what me do, guys? The day after, I returned the favor. Pretty girl, you know. Sometimes you done with her. When me done with her, should I feel like she had the ugliest thing on land. This is all. I was so angry. And this is why you feel tell the people them not to bully. Because one day, whoever them a bully might just get mad. Guys, I was so angry. For some reason, I kind of have, you could have managed my anger a certain way in a primary school. But in a high school, boy, I couldn't manage it no more. And then I have to go anger management classes and all of that. So I get angry. This girl cuss me every day from school. Got me a taxi because she live up the hill. So fast forward to the next day when we decide to hear what. Me I got day bad today, in a girl. I start from our class. I tell her how extra I be because I did really angry. I go right up our class. You see when she left class, people feel like so we are best friends, but the right side her in her ears all time. I say, don't ticket. I say, I do her up as the people. I do her right up. So before we reach up the hill, because she normally walk and stop because we have to cross the road to take the taxi. She have to stay up on the side there to go home. So she walk and she stop right at this one to cross. I say, people, you know what me do? I cuss the girl, I cuss the girl go right to her yard gate and then I go cross. When I feel good and happy now, and pleased. When she start ball. When she start balling up, people start ball from before we reach up the hill, you know. But I tell her, say, too, I'm angry and how much did that girl that cuss me. I cuss her right to her yard gate. I cuss her from the bottom of the hill. When she start ball at the bottom of the hill and she ball go straight to her yard gate, people, I cuss her. The next day, the girl bring her mother. Her mother like she want in an argument with me. In an argument with me for what? What? You ask the daughter what she do for me, cause her? Because I dey at school every day, I never get in trouble. There must be a reason why I never get in trouble. I don't fast with people. But this girl keep on fast with me and I just get so angry. People, I no business. I don't defend myself. You get what I say? I don't need none of them to feel sorry for nobody in this situation here. Because I stand up as I should have and the bully get what she deserved. She ball and the next day her mother come and I say, hello, I hear her daughter first pass with me. I tell her straight up. And if she did lick me, would I get somebody from my family to lick her and I could pick me and I can't fight a big woman at that stage. But if I could have fight her, I would have fight her. Because her pitney is a bully and she's a drunk girl. To the back her and defend her. So you don't ask the daughter what she do. Your daughter always come home and smile and one day she come home and ball. And you come to me. You don't ask her what happened different. What happened different for today, the girl takes step on you. Now you come to school and drape up with me for what? The man, for what?
But the thing is, you know, a lot of time, you know, it's not always a problem, but a good amount of time. A problem, you know, but then you and come and take you up, you know, like you didn't pick me.
Well, sorry to say, nobody now can take advantage of my people. Honestly, they go grow them to be strong.
Yeah, and the only way me go there,
I grow them to do wrong, but I grow them to be strong.
Go there and know what I want. There's no way me go and fight off somebody pick me. No one know what I
exactly.
want.
Let me know what's up. And if you tell me a story now, I want you to tell me a story in front of the person's face. So yes guys, I'm not fast
Camera
with
cuts
nobody.
off again.
Yeah, sorry about that. I'm not fast with nobody. So every time I fight with somebody, I because them do something to me.
Yeah, but now
And them first pass with me. Even in grade 7 I fight with a girl because she did a bully me. She have a group of bad friends.
So called.
Yeah.
So
None of them never fast with me, but she had the one who fast with me. And then one day I was like, you know, I'm never shut up in her high school life, I'm going to shut up in her primary school. I'm never push it aside and ignore nobody. I'm never be heard. And she called me a name, and I tell her like her mother, she come up in her face, come pint and say something else about my mother. I said like your mother. And my girl swing. and I just start swing fling. But anyways, for further details we'll probably do a video on my channel, but yeah. That's enough fighting talking for today.
So like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't
Oh,
forget
that
that
was
we
wonderful.
appreciate
So much.
y'all's support.
Yes.
Comment down in the comment section below. Tell us what you like about this video. I know I like the crab.
Yeah, the
It
food.
was awesome.
Yeah, the food.
It was yummy.
And we are out.